Here's a 2017 Audi A4. Drivers with high expectations will relish driving this amazing A4. And it was completely redesigned for 2017 with improved power and fuel economy to go with added technology and safety features. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power sliding and tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, leather bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Drivers with high expectations will relish driving this amazing A4. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.